Okay guys, it's the next morning after the party. It's early Sunday morning. I just want to show this beautiful flowers I got from followers from overseas, Perth, Australia. I'll just show you the card. There it is, the beautiful card. Thank you guys so much. Looky there. Nice message. Hope. Then I also got, when we left the party last night, everyone got a gift from Jan. I already opened it. And there's a book, a signed book from Jan. Okay. I can't wait to get through this one. Thank you, Jan. As you can see in the video, and I got a butcher's block with the spices in as well. And then the food was amazing last night, guys. Ja, ek is nog altyd lam. It was absolutely wonderful. All the top chefs was there in the country. Well, not all of them, but most of them. And wacht, laat ek die phone omdraai. Wait, before I try it om. Waar Sunny? Sunny? Manners, Sunny, come greet the people. Manners? Manners, Sunny? Sunny boy? Was that just a glance? Not even a hello everyone? Bliksem. Sun. Yeah. Come. Sit. Yeah. Sunny boy. You know, he's always so well behaved. But when I have the phone, then you want to show off. Sunny. Yo, bliksem man. Yeah, there's a mole in the garden. Partying up a storm. Eating everything. Jy gaan nie nou vat aan Sunny nie. Sunny is nou besig. He's got his morning thing going on. I go inside now. Sunny. Hy luister vir my nie. Okay guys, it's the next day. That is Sunny's white broken bolly. Where's my boy? Where's my boy? You want your biscuit, man? Oh, nee. I'm going to put the other one down, ne? There's my boy. Okay, guys. Update. Ooh, I got the dorings uit. Oh, no. So we've pruned the trees. And now I want to show you. Here's the small guava tree. But it's got guavas on already, so I'm not sure what's going on. If it's attached to the other trees here, which I think it is. That's the one, because the guavas are coming out there. I really think it's attached. But there's one that's not attached, which is here, which two guava trees. I'm looking for people who would like to adopt the guava trees. There's one and there's one. This is the pink guava, and over there that's the white guava. So there's two guava trees coming out, and then there's one more guava tree, but I don't know what's happening there. Something's eating it. So I guess that's how it goes. And I'm venturing for the first time. Oh, I must be careful. There's no nests with wasps here. Ek moet versigtig wees. So here's another one. Another guava tree. So this results, there's another guava tree. Well, I think it's more from the the roots and the branches. It's quite big. This tree is very, very old. Decades. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm back in the business of trees, guys. Take this out. Weet jy, John, ek gaan vir John iets kel as hy sny. Jy moet Ali die blare afhaal, man. Okay, guavas are starting to come out. And I'll keep you guys updated with that. And look, they pruned the cut it all, but it was supposed to be cut down more, all the way down. See, that must also still be done. And then we try again the end of the year. Guys, this tree used to go all the way up. Then what I do is I'd get myself into the middle of the tree and I'd climb this tree and pick guavas right on top. I am not sure if I can do that still. I shouldn't take the risk. Not at all. I shouldn't. Let's see how they're doing. It's just not a lot of guavas, but whatever's going to come out is going to be big because it was pruned. Okay, and here's some leftover creamy chicken and corn soup. I just posted the photo and the video on my WhatsApp, and then I got a request for it and it was booked out, so now I must make some barakata. The video is on the channel, guys, the full video and the recipe. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make some food with my spices. Which one am I gonna use? I'm gonna use biryani masala. And did I open it? I know this is, everyone loves this one. Look at that. Here's lunch. Chicken, woo! Chicken, patat, attapo, and Dania sausage at the bottom. Okay, there's my brother-in-law. And this is I made for him and the kids. I'm gonna now do the chicken. I made the plates for Opa and Shelly for Renfred, and here's the dessert. I made a video of this pudding, but that's only coming in April, guys. Okay, there we go. And I'm just waiting on the sausage. Ooh, it's done. Okay, there, everyone is sorted out. Yes, hallo julle. Dis nou die einde van my vlog. This is net just snippets of the garden and following the growth of the trees. For me, it's, if you don't like that part, just fast forward. And there was a snippet that I forgot to put in my other vlog, so I thought I'd put it in this one, of the morning after the party and the gifts I received. And then also there's a snippet that you've watched now of my brother-in-law and me making them some food, and that has been continuing for a while now. I'm doing that because Khadija's doing so well, people. Very, very well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I can't wait for it to get home. And yeah, so that's my vlog. I'll be making more, and there's some more recipes, video recipes coming that you guys will enjoy so much. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.